So the reason why I joined the event tonight is because it's a great opportunity to meet the industry leader in the home and garden, and definitely coming from a marketplace as Alibaba, particularly Miravia, is also a great solution for many of these leaders, brands in the industry, to have an additional channel and get to the end customer. The best experience so far this tonight has been the one-to-one quick meetings where we could be able to meet briefly great brands that they are looking for solutions to sell in marketplace, and how we can help them to get to the next level. From our side, the main challenge that we face in terms of cross-border are two. One that it's very obvious is that as we are in home and garden categories, this is a very seasonal categories, and therefore as seasonal categories means you have different seasons in different countries, and therefore how you adapt to the demand in different countries, that can be quite challenging, but it's also quite exciting. And the second one is obviously in terms of logistics. So obviously home and garden means mostly bulky products. Obviously that means that we need to get the right partners in place to properly offer solutions on how to deliver these bulky items in different countries. And as well, while we like to think of Europe as one single region, the reality is that there's still a lot of different countries with different systems, and therefore obviously how to adapt the logistics to the different ones and how to do that cross-border logistics, at least on the main ones, is obviously still challenging in the industry, as it's no difference for us.